It said it's on a passenger side. I'm gonna have to watch that video one more time real quick. Y'all see the setup though, so I'm gonna get y'all right there. All right, y'all, so I got the car jacked up. Safety. Damn, nigga flying down the street fast as hell. All right, y'all, about to go ahead and make sure this bitch lined up great. I don't want no oil to spill on the ground like that. But I finally got the boat unloose, and we about to drain it. 3, 2, 1, now. That shit black as hell, bruh. It's blacker than me. Call me the oil king, no cap. Oil change king LD. I know how to change every car. Oil. Feel me? Y'all see it? Damn, that shit black. Black, bro. Shit crazy. I know y'all see it. How black that is, but that shit look like chocolate milk. Straight chocolate milk, bruh. That's crazy. I'm fucking always get mesmerized by oil changes. Bro, this fucking boat took forever to come out, bro. Look at this shit right here. God damn. Let that drain itself, though. You feel me? Bro, I remember changing my X5. That shit took a lot of oil, bro. This whole fucking bucket was filled. I had to fucking use another bucket. But it's almost just about done. And the bucket ain't even filled up yet. It's like halfway there. Y'all see it though. It's draining itself. Yes, sir. We lit. That's crazy. That shit chocolate milk, bro. That is crazy. Oh, you never know, man. People say they do this, they doing this, they doing that to their car. Nigga ain't done shit. Nigga, this shit need to get changed. Chocolate milk, bro. So yeah, here go the oil filter right here. Yeah, take that off. If I could, by hand. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Damn, how would you take that shit off? Alright, got the oil filter off. Gonna take that off. Sheesh, look at this shit, man. Shit crazy. Put that in there. Bro, that's crazy, bro. I really know how to do shit like this, bro. That shit crazy. And I know for every other car it may seem super hard or difficult, but it's not, y'all. I promise y'all it's not. Feel me? Don't believe what anybody say. They say that anything is shit is hard. No. It's easy once you do it. It may take time, it may take strength, it may take effort, a lot of effort, but at least you know you did it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at this shit. Compared to this one, bro, shit's crazy. Look, that shit's fried. Shit fried, bro. So yeah. Go ahead and unwrap this and then put this back on, lube it up with the oil and shit, put it on. I don't know what it is right here, but I'm asking my granddad right now, do I keep it on? It's a little red thing. Granddad. Hey, Granddad, do I keep this on there or take it off? This red thing.
Not even to yourself. If you simply take things as they are, you'll have less to complain about.
Okay, leave it on.
Yeah, that goes. That's
Don't be too busy.
Okay.
Do one thing at a time and focus on one.
Set up is the seal. Alright, just put the new oil filter on. You know what I'm saying? Again, here goes the old one. Tight. Now, I like to get back under now that the oil is finished and pour the new oil up in the engine. Tight beat. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy because this look like this is the valve cover. Like this the engine itself. For me to take this off, I think. And then here go the spark plugs up in here. Remove these coil packs low key. But yeah, this is a V4, so change the spark plugs next type shit. Y'all see it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Change those next. That's only a quick $40. Then yeah, I'm gonna get that fuck. What's that shit called? I forgot the name. Over here doing a bunch of other shit. My bad, y'all. Having fucking short-term memory. Oh, mass airflow system. Yeah. Joint mass right here. And I ain't gonna be nothing. I'm gonna order that off Amazon type shit. So. But yeah, but it been dusty as hell though, bro. No cattle, they got mad dust and shit, bro. Like, check this motherfucking air filter too real quick. You know, nigga might probably need one of these. About to pour the last quart in here, y'all. Feel me? And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna need like one more at least, but 3 should be good enough. I ain't even show y'all, but I didn't fucking snap the, broke the motherfucking air intake hose. But I mean, it happens because this shit was hella brittle anyway. Like, this shit's mad brittle, bro. Like, look how hard it is. Like, it was snapped, like it's broken right here. Y'all see? But I don't know, so that's a big bummer right now. But I ain't gonna let it get to me. It's cool, you feel me? The main thing is I just changed my oil and shit. And then the good thing is there's more things to change. Like, that's the fun part, bro. You feel me? It just, you know, gonna take money and shit, but for the most part, bro, you know, it's not like this is a foreign, so, you know, a lot of the parts and stuff will be cheap and affordable, so, you know, I ain't gonna stress about it. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish this oil change. And yeah, man, see what's next after this. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and give y'all startup because the oil change is complete. How the fuck the radio's still on? The fuck? I already got the key in the ignition and the radio is still on. How is that? That's weird. Okay, I can take the key out, bro, and that shit crazy. I never knew that. The music is still playing. Let me start it up. Y'all heard it start up. So yeah, let y'all see how this joint sound for right now. Y'all hear it? So yeah, that's that though, man. So make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for the video. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the next video and the content that I'm finna do with the Toyota and my BMW. My Toyota and my BMW. My BMW and my Toyota. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, stay tuned, bruh. I appreciate y'all for watching. And like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, indeed. And I'll catch y'all back in the next video. It's your boy, LDZ. And y'all take it easy.